I think a lot of people approach fundraising, especially in Europe, like people approach fundraising thinking there's some like kind of power dynamic where the VC has all the power and the founder is the person having to like ask for stuff. And actually know that you know, if you're a founder building something fantastic, then the power is on all your side. And the best companies I know and I've seen to go on be successful, like companies like Revolut, companies like UiPath, they kind of know that, and they just go into that fundraise with so much confidence and create scenarios where you're, as a VC, you're having to like work your way to get into the round rather than vice versa. Obviously, it's quite a different, you know, if you've gone out to your fundraise, it isn't going that well. But I think just having that attitude at the beginning and that mindset of just like confidence, knowing that like you're arriving because you're solving a problem for the VC, that just mindset shift is super helpful.
Okay, first off, thanks for saying that, because I try to reiterate that point all the time. All the founders that have come in here that have raised a lot have that, you can just feel it. Like they are worth you giving them money. They know it. I actually think a great thought exercise is, before you go into a meeting, like if let's say you knew you were going to sell your company for $200 million in 6 years, like you knew the future, you could see that. How different would your attitude be when you go meet an investor? You know, it would be so much more about qualifying the investor. You know, do I want to make this person money? Like that would be the constant thought in your head as a founder. And so I think what you just said is one of the most important things people can really embody and take away, is like that confidence. Even though I know nobody knows the future, you have to believe that. And Wolf 3D is a great example. Temu, Casper, they had a really weird business in the day. You know, obviously didn't have a lot of traction, and then figured out how to raise 50 million from Andreessen Horowitz. And that's a great example. Another deal you have listed, there's 3 more, but I know you have a hard stop because you're at the Snapchat event right now. So let me pick 1 or 2 of them, and then we'll open up the floor for questions. Would you rather talk about Audio Mob, with you co-invested with Lightspeed Ventures, or Living Cities, which is Matt Missing?
Living Cities might be better. Audio Mob, actually it was an SPV we did when I was raising. It's actually, Audio Mob isn't that on thesis for the fund, so okay. I can talk to Living Cities. So yeah, Living Cities, I made a small angel investment in 2021. Again, this isn't a fund investment.